So that was eventful, really cool that how things can go in life. So everything went super well in Willow Springs, not a one problem with the car. But then I went to meet a friend in Long Beach, and when I came off the off-ramp, the car died and it felt like a fuel pump. When I came back to Brian's place from Willows, it already stuttered a little bit, like it just gave one little hesitation. I was like, oh no, it's the fuel pump. I gave it some throttle and it was totally fine. Then it ran, everything's good. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take the car to Long Beach. And then I came off the off-ramp and it died and wouldn't start up again. But thanks to Dan and Jesus, they totally saved the day, came out, picked me up with the tow truck, and before I could do or say anything, they already had the car fixed, as you can see in the video. Really cool. But I had some beers with those guys. Then I decided to still meet up with my friend, and also had some beers. So I was like, hey, I'm not gonna drive home, not gonna take any risks. So I stayed here in Long Beach, took a hotel over here, and now we're gonna go back. So don't drink and drive, take no risks with that stuff. And as you can see, even the most reliable drifty car can get some failures.
It's like my dad waited in fucking line.
Jesus did something really good over here. He fixed my car in like 2 seconds. Look at this. It's running again. These guys, like, I don't know how to thank them, because picked me up from the highway, fixed my car. I'm like not even finishing this beer. The car is like working again. It's crazy. We are at another famous location, and Hellcat has nothing to do with us. Brian has something to do with me, and what we're doing over here is checking out a really cool spot called Neptune's Net, which is the famous restaurant where the Fast and the Furious guys went after testing the Supra. So the Ferrari scene, over here you can see where the Ferrari scene, like smoke him and all that kind of stuff, happened over there. So let's check it out. So we'll see how you do in Lone Star Drift,
I'll beat you.
and then we'll talk. You can't have the floorboard fall out. So no Ferraris over here, sadly, because I'm always interested in the retail on one of those, and see if I can afford them, and if I'm his pal or not. You know how it goes. At the beach, like kind of nice to stop over here. This is a really nice environment, driving down this whole coast. It's super special for me to do it with my own car. Super cool, like these moments, like I kind of want to capture them. Been here many times before, but always with a rental car.